In this video, learn how to set up an Excel spreadsheet to organize your course-specific data. This data will be embedded into your Qualtrics survey link, also known as your base URL. First, open Microsoft Excel and click Blank Workbook to create a new worksheet. This sheet will serve as the foundation for generating your personalized survey links. Therefore, this worksheet should include the relevant key-value pair data. A key-value pair represents course-specific data such as course code, section number, or instructor name. The key is the category of information and the value is the specific detail. For example, for the key-value pair of course code, the key is the course and the value is the code. Next, create columns for each key-value pair you want to use to organize your data using an underscore instead of a space. It is important that you use an underscore instead of spaces to ensure compatibility with Qualtrics, which does not recognize spaces in embedded data field names. We recommend that you use the following headers: course underscore code, section underscore number, instructor underscore first underscore name, instructor underscore last underscore name, base underscore URL, survey underscore URL. Once your headings are added, populate the spreadsheet with the applicable course information in each column. Each row should represent a unique course section, and the data should align with corresponding key value headers. Then, for each row, fill the cells below each column with the applicable information. Enter the course letter combination and 3-digit course number in the course underscore code column. Enter the section of the class in the section underscore number column. Enter the instructor's first name in the instructor underscore first underscore name column. Enter the instructor's last name in the instructor underscore last underscore name column. The next section is an audio-free demonstration of course data being entered into the spreadsheet. Remember the base URL you copied from the Create a Survey in Qualtrics video? Enter this base URL into each row under the base underscore URL column. This is simply a placeholder for the beginning of your Qualtrics link before personalized information is added. As a shortcut, paste the URL into the first cell under base underscore URL. Next, right-click and copy the cell. Then, highlight the cells below the first base URL. Right-click and paste the base URL. This will copy the base URL into all the highlighted cells. If you would like to use other columns to categorize data, plan on adjusting the formula used in the video Create Personalized Survey Links to incorporate those headers. Some examples include instructor ID number, which can be written as instructor underscore ID underscore number. Or instead of displaying the instructor name to instructor underscore first for first name and instructor underscore last for last name, you can leave their name together as is, written as instructor underscore name. Once you have entered these column headers, enter the applicable ID number and instructor name for each course's row. The last column, titled survey underscore URL, will be entered with information in the next video, Create Personalized Survey Links. This concludes the video on how to set up your Excel worksheet. Next, please view the video Create Personalized Survey Links to continue learning about how to set up a single Qualtrics survey for a department or school with individual surveys for each instructor.